స్టూడెంట్స్, ఈరోజు మనము సిఎస్సి ఐఓటి కోర్సు గురించి మాట్లాడబోతున్నాం. చాలామంది స్టూడెంట్స్కి వాట్ ఈజ్ సిఎస్సి ఐఓటి, సిఎస్సికి సిఎస్సి ఐఓటికి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి, అసలు సిఎస్సి ఐఓటిలో ఏముంటాయి సబ్జెక్ట్స్, ఏ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ సిఎస్సికి ఐఓటికి డిఫరెన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఇది చదివిన తర్వాత జాబ్స్ వస్తాయా, ఇది చదివిన తర్వాత ఫ్యూచర్ ఉంటుందా, ఒక జాబ్ వస్తే ఎలాంటి ప్యాకేజ్ వస్తుంది, ఇవన్నీ చాలామంది స్టూడెంట్స్కి డౌట్లు ఉన్నాయి. కనుక ఈరోజు నేను సిఎస్సి ఐఓటి అంటే ఏంటి, అసలు ఎందుకు చదవాలి, ఏం చదువుతున్నాము, చదివితే ఎలాంటి జాబ్ వస్తుంది అని మనం నేర్చుకోబోతున్నాం, చెప్పబోతున్నాను. నౌ వాట్ ఈజ్ ఐఓటి? ఐఓటి nothing but what? Connecting of devices, objects, computers, machines and all the things and make them to smart. That is the main aim of IoT. Now see this slide here. IoT, if you take out entire world here, every part of the world, every device in the world, we are connecting through IoT. There is a beauty in this IoT. What is the Internet of Things here? The Internet of Things or IoT refers to the billions of physical devices around the world that are now connected to the net, all connecting and sharing data. The Internet of Things making the fabric of world around us more smarter and more responsive, merging the digital and physical universes. Now, what is the internet? I am giving few more definitions here. The IoT bridges the gap between the digital world and the physical world, adding sensors and intelligence to basic objects. Different objects and adding sensors to them, it adds a level digital intelligence to those devices. Internet of Things. If you see this slide here, through IoT technology, we are connecting every sector, aeroplane sector, manufacturing sector, health sector, automobile sector, education sector, everything we are automating through IoT. IoT in health sector. In health sector, medical checkup, medical reporting, health devices connectivity, operation efficiency, everything easily you can get it by using of IoT. IoT in smart homes. Home, you know, what is smart home here? In the home, all devices, all part of entire home, we are making smarter by using of IoT. Remote home control, automatic parking, security system, advanced kitchen, everything we are doing through IoT. See, IoT in smart home. See here, everything, lighting and operations in the home, everything by IoT. IoT in smart city. City, you know, what is smart city here? In the city here, we are controlling traffic control, Wi-Fi connectivity, security system, advanced parking system, everything we are doing through IoT technology. The city of the future. City of future means here smart building and smart health, smart energy and smart mobility, smart public safety, everything we are doing through IoT. IoT in industrial automation. In a particular industry, we are automating by using of IoT. Manufacturing sector, planning sector, advanced power supply sector, bill payment sector, we are doing automation by using of IoT. Students, future of IoT. You see this slide here, entire universe on your hands. New technology, robotic technology, drone technology needs IoT subject knowledge. Future of IoT, if you go details from 1950 onwards, in the year 1950, 5,000 millions of objects connected through IoT. 1975, 10,000, 2003, 500 millions, 2009, 2.5 billions, 2014, 10 billions, 2020, 30 billions here, 2050, more than 100 billions of objects are going to connect through IoT. Everything will be connected through IoT. You see this slide here, everything in the universe you are connecting through IoT. IoT will change the world. How IoT will change the world? We talk about industry here, on one side consumer, industry side here transportation, heavy machinery, utilities, logistics, healthcare, manufacturing. You talk about consumer side, home automation, appliances, home monitoring, phones and wearables and TVs, all are going to connect to IoT. Emerging roles for IoT professionals. If you study IoT as a professional, your importance is required for every stage as a part of development. As a solution architects, as a product manager, industrial data scientist, industrial engineers, full stack developers, robotic coordinator. As a part of current roles for IoT professionals, look at here, as a customer support, M2M engineer, technical consultant, back-end developer, network engineer, UI and UX, user interface and user experience designers needs IoT knowledge. Now students, you should know about skills required for IoT student. Embedded systems knowledge required, network programming, analytics, communication protocols, network security, UI and UX design, cloud computing, edge computing and soft skills also. See students, topics covered in IoT. Introduction to IoT, setting up Raspberry Pi and sensors here, creating solutions with Raspberry Pi and Sense HAT, IoT communication protocols, IoT and cloud computing, Azure IoT solution practicals and many more required. Students, this is very important, salaries and trends and projections, very important here. See here, the median salary for an IoT professionals in India is 15.2 lakhs per annum. If you go for a hike, more hike is there, and projected in the 2018-19 here, 17.5 lakhs per annum. And as a fresher, minimum 6 lakhs per annum salary here. Now, we will go for a market trends of IoT. Internet of Things, IoT has a potential economy impact of $2.7 to $6.2 trillions until 2025, as per McKinsey. The cellular IoT connections for forecasting to grow at a 25% compound annual growth rate CAGR till 2025. Ericsson. Industrial IoT, IIoT is expected to top $60 trillion during the next 15 years, Forbes expectation. The total revenue generated from IoT industry would be USD 300 millions and the connected devices would be 27 billions by the year in 2020 globally. Gartner expectation. And see here, one more important market trend expectation. Cisco calculates that machine to machine, M2M connections that support IoT applications will account for more than half of the total 27.1 billion devices and connections, and will account for 5% of global IP traffic by 2021. Now, IoT career opportunities. Top 10 IoT companies right now: Intel, Microsoft, Google, Oracle, Gartner, IBM, SAP, and Samsung, Cisco. Every topmost companies are using IoT. See here, companies hiring IoT professionals: Verizon, Qualcomm, Cisco, Accenture, SAP, ERP, IBM, L&T. Every topmost company needs IoT professionals. Here, students, very important, what is the Industrial Internet of Things? IIoT. The Industrial Internet of Things, IIoT, are the fourth industrial revolution or Industry 4.0, or all names given to the use of IoT technology in business setting. The concept is to use a combination of sensors, wireless networks, big data, artificial intelligence, and analytics to measure and optimize industrial processes. Students, you have to observe carefully. Whenever you talk about IIoT, you need subject knowledge of computer networks, big data, data analytics, and artificial intelligence. See about what about privacy and the Internet of Things. See here, take the smart home. It can tell when you wake up, when the smart coffee machine activated, how well you brush your teeth thanks to your smart toothbrush, what radio station you listen to thanks to your smart speaker, what type of food you eat thanks to your smart oven or fridge, what your children think thanks to your smart toys, who visit you and passes by your whole house thanks to your smart doorbell. What subject needs sensor technology, embedded systems, microcontrollers, information security, IoT security, all IoT students studying these subjects. If we talk about the Internet of Things and data, tech analyst IDC calculates that within 5 years, IoT gadgets will be creating 79.4 zettabytes of data. IDC said the amount of data created by IoT device will grow rapidly in next few years. Subjects we need for maintaining such a huge data: DBMS, big data and data mining, mobile application development. All IoT students are studying these subjects. Internet of Things and big data analytics. Big data analytics subject also very important. Why? IoT is a significant driver of big data analytics projects because it allows companies to create vast data sets and analyze them. So, IoT students studying big data analytics subject also. Internet of Things and the cloud. The huge amount of data that IoT applications generate means that many companies will choose to do their data processing in the cloud rather than building huge amount of in-house capability. So that IoT students are studying cloud computing, edge computing also. Internet of Things and the cloud. IoT students needs cloud computing knowledge also, because big companies like Microsoft has its own Azure IoT suite, Amazon using Amazon Web Services AWS, and Google using Google Cloud. So that we are including cloud computing as a part of IoT syllabus here. Nokia partners with AWS on cloud migration, 5G and IoT strategies. So that lot of openings are there in big companies like Microsoft, Amazon, Google and Nokia related companies. See the Internet of Things and smart cities. AT&T is launching a service to monitor infrastructure such as bridges, roadways and railways with LTE enabled sensors to monitor structural changes such as cracks and tiles. So that for this purpose we need a subject knowledge of IoT and smart sensors. So IoT students are studying this subject. Now see here, how do Internet of Things and 5G connect and share data? See here, Ericsson predicts that there will be somewhere around 5 billion IoT devices connected to cellular network by 2025. The analyst firm predicts that there will be 3.5 million 5G IoT devices in use this year and nearly 50 millions by 2023 year. So what a requirement here. In this connection here, IoT students are studying wireless sensor network subject, IoT architecture and protocol subject, cyber security subject also. IoT data and artificial intelligence. Why IoT students needs artificial intelligence knowledge here? IoT devices generate vast amounts of data that might be information about an engine's temperature or whether a door is open or closed or reading from smart meter or not. Such a way every company using nowadays artificial intelligence. So IoT students studying artificial intelligence are also as a part of syllabus. IoT data and artificial intelligence. Big company like Google and top-notch companies are using artificial intelligence here. So that IoT students are studying artificial intelligence, along with that one machine learning, deep learning, neural networks and data science in IoT. Comes to CSE IoT syllabus, 75% of CSE IoT syllabus consisting of core CSE subjects, remaining 25% of ECE, EEE, mechanical, other subjects. So that CSE IoT students studying majority of these CS subjects and IoT subjects as a specializations. Now first year first semester subjects here, mathematics, physics, computer science, mechanical and labs here. So that first year first semester they are studying programming for problem solving, programming in C language studying as a part of first semester. Next go to the first year second semester subjects here, mathematics, chemistry, EEE mechanical and labs here. EEE subject basic electrical engineering subject, mechanical subject engineering workshop. And our AS Engineering College offering all branches of students Python programming subjects as a mandatory subject here. Python programming is very important for IoT students. Along with that one, aptitude and reasoning also studying in second semester. If you go to second year first semester, few are CSE, ECE and IT subjects here. ECE subject analog and digital electronics, CSE data structures, Java programming, computer organization, math subject computer oriented statistical methods, ECE subject analog digital electronics theory and lab and IT workshop and microprocessor lab here. So that here CS subject studying here, ECE subject studying in second year first semester. Go to the second year second semester, CS subjects are discrete mathematics, operating system, database management system, design and analysis of algorithms and labs, operating system, DA lab, DBMS lab. And one more important one, we are introducing IoT subject in a 2x2 semester itself along with design thinking. This is very important subject for IoT students. Other courses are not offering design thinking subject. Now goes to the 3x1 semester of CS subjects of IoT subjects. CS subjects are formal languages and automata theory, computer networks, data engineering, web technology. Comes to IoT subjects here, professional elective 1, IoT architecture and protocols, professional elective 2, mobile application development and labs, IoT lab 2 and mobile application development lab. Then students are studying artificial intelligence as a mandatory subject in 3x1 semester. This is very important. And 3x2 semester, few are CSE and few are IoT. IoT subject wireless sensor networks, professional elective 3 machine learning and professional elective 3 lab also. Comes to CS subjects here, compiler design, software engineering, big data, analytics and labs. And one EC subject, professional elective 1, microcontrollers and applications. Now, as a mandated subject, cyber security also students are studying in 3/2 semester. Go to the 4/1 semester, one CS subject cloud computing, others are IoT related subjects, blockchain technology, professional elective 4 IoT security, professional elective 5 IoT and smart sensors, and labs computing and blockchain technology lab here. EC subject open elective 2 introduction to embedded systems. Now we are offering summer project internship to all the students here. Now our students are starting project in 4/1 semester itself. Goes to 4/2 semester, last semester of course, one management subject, management fundamentals for engineers, and other IoT subjects, professional elective 6 data science in IoT, and open elective 3 fundamentals of robotics. Now we are continuing the project from 4/1 semester to 4/2 semester. Go to the professional electives here. Professional elective 1, IoT architecture protocols, digital marketing, distributed systems, information retrieval system. Professional elective 2, mobile application development, digital signal processing, optimization techniques, computer graphics. Professional elective 3, machine learning, robotics, image processing, cryptography and network security. Professional elective 4, IoT security, reinforcement management, e-commerce, predictive analytics. Professional elective 5, IoT and sensor, business and market analytics, data visualization, social media analytics. Professional elective 6, data science in IoT, fog computing, computer vision and web analytics here. So that we are offering majority of the subjects in professional electives here, from first professional elective to 6th professional elective in all semesters here. So that IoT students studying majority of the CSE subjects and IoT subjects as a specializations. So that compared to the CSE students here, IoT students are having a lot more opportunities. Why? IoT students needs for all sectors, automation sector, industry sector, health sector, like that all, software development sector, everywhere. So that lot of chances are there for IoT students here, and basic salary itself here 6 lakhs per annum to 10 lakhs package per annum. Finally students, roots of the education is bitter but fruit is very sweet. Beginning of any course, student may feel tough, but after completion of 4 years, every student going to eat their own fruit. But fruit is always sweet. So that my advice is sincerely study all 4 years. Definitely you eat your own fruit. Thank you.